How to fix Snapchat support code SS06. So let's see through this video. Before moving forward to the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So here I cannot show you how the Snapchat support code SS06 looks like because it's not currently happening in my Snapchat. It is a very common problem among the Snapchat users. This problem usually occurs when you repeatedly enter the wrong password and try too many attempts to log into your account. So here is the simple way how can you fix that. First thing you need to do is open up your Google Play Store and search for the Snapchat, and there you have to update the Snapchat if there are any updates available. After updating, you will be able to fix the problem, but if you are still unable to, then simply go back to your home page and press and hold the app and you can see the app info option. If you cannot find this in your device, then you can simply go to your setting and search for the app info and search the Snapchat. After tapping on the app info, look for the storage and cache and clear the cache. After clearing the cache, you will be able to clear all the data of the Snapchat. Doing this action won't delete your Snapchat profile but clear all the data, which refresh your Snapchat and you will be able to fix the problem. So by following these two steps, you'll be able to fix Snapchat support code SS06 problem. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. If you need any videos on any topics, don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thank you for watching till the end.